I don't know, I'm gonna be super real. There's just like a lot of emotions. I am getting rid of my home. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about the move. Hello guys, moving vlog number 2. So I'm gonna be super real with you guys and just let you guys know that I have been extremely overwhelmed. Last vlog, I was like, yay, we got the monkey off our back. We're starting new life, 2024, new chapter. And now I feel like I'm like, oh shit. In the last video, we decluttered the basement. And in this video, we're decluttering the upstairs of my house. I do have some help. I don't know if you guys remember Brooke. She was my intern in the summer and now she's assisting me with the move. And my friend Jean is here. Jules is here, and everybody's been so helpful. But today we are just gonna keep going through everything and getting rid of everything.
Oh my god. Hi.
We have to go through all this and pick if we keep or get rid of.
And I'm gonna keep the shit she gets rid of.
Hello guys. Today we are cleaning out my closets. My friend Jean is here from France.
You need to say that with the correct pronunciation.
My friend Jean.
No!
Jean. Jean-Baptiste. My friend Jean.
Yes, that's me.
And he's visiting for a week. He wanted to help me clean out my closet. Jean is being such a good friend helping me.
I don't have a choice, guys. All of this is against my will.
So I'm just getting ready. I definitely have a lot of clothes sitting in my closets that I don't wear. I want to downsize. I don't want to just downsize where I live. I want to downsize the things I own. Makeup is done. Time to clean out my closet.
Yay!
We're doing rapid fire speed round. I'm gonna sit here in the chair and both Jules and Brooke are gonna hold up keep or get rid of. Keep. Donate. Keep.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's cute.
Keep. Definitely donate and then sell. PA? Pennsylvania. All right, update. So we are going through all my clothes. We've made really good donate and sell piles. The goal is to be bi-coastal. No matter where I'm paying rent, I always have a room at my parents' house and I still have friends here and I still have a life here. So no matter what, I'm gonna need a Pennsylvania wardrobe. So we've condensed things to donate, sell, and then Pennsylvania, LA. Because your girl's definitely getting a place in LA. She's gonna have a wardrobe in LA. But she still needs to have her PA wardrobe. Even though we don't know like where, like what the rent situation is, what the actual thing looks like, I know deep down where this is all headed, and I know we've all known where this is headed. I'm supposed to be bi-coastal, so we gotta have a bi-coastal wardrobe. So far, this is the PA wardrobe. We got some LA, PA. Look at my donate bin. LA, PA, LA.
I'm Gina.
LA. Okay, so this is already Pennsylvania clothes. We gotta keep the warm clothing for like the freezing weather. Over here is my bathroom stuff that I'm keeping, but I am not bringing all this with me. So I definitely gotta go through this again, pick whatever's gonna go to my parents' house and whatever's gonna go where I'm moving. Here, more stuff I'm keeping. Gotta do the same thing. This is Pennsylvania. All the like boots and warm stuff. I still have to go through my kitchen. That's gonna be something. My pantry's really full. But in here, I have what I'm moving with. So this is the wardrobe I'm keeping. This is everything I'm donating so far. Okay, so Brooke left me a to-do list before she gets here today, and I haven't done any of it, and she comes in an hour. So that's how the day is going. It says, if you can, clean and make room at parents' house, bring some bags by the front door. We actually already have that covered. Not doing that today. Basement, label prices on everything you're selling. Start downsizing products in living room. That I think we should do before she gets here. We are going to go through the bins and go through and actually condense. I do have hoarding tendencies. I feel like I'm not actually as messy as people would think I am. I just hold on to too much shit. So I feel like the biggest problem for me with this move is just not bringing shit with me to wherever I'm moving and not keeping shit at my parents' house that doesn't need to be there. Here are the bathroom bins. So we're gonna start with these. So we need a blow dryer in Pennsylvania and a blow dryer in LA. The blow dryer I'm currently using is in the bathroom, so check. This is going parents' house, PA. 2 curling irons, PA, LA. Straightener, I have one in the bathroom, so this is going to parents' house. This waiver I haven't used in forever, but I may want to use it. I feel like I'm gonna bring it to LA because I feel like in LA I'm doing looks. When I'm in Pennsylvania, I'm just bumming it every day. So we're gonna send the waiver to LA. My cellar water, Pennsylvania. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about the move. Obviously, I'm not 100% sure where I should be living. I'm like 99% sure that where I'm moving will be right for right now. I'm not thinking long-term like I used to. I'm thinking more so like give a new place a year long. Like leases are only 1 year. I lived in this house 1 year, it didn't work. Move, go somewhere else. I believe in just like trial and error, and just staying in my hometown it's not giving me, I'm not getting the answers. I'm not finding my spot in this world outside of my hometown. And I just feel that even though there's like fears and some concerns and doubts and stuff, that doesn't discourage me from just like doing it and just like taking the leap and just doing the leap of faith. Because worst case scenario, I mean, this house was pretty much a worst case scenario. I'm okay. And I'm showing myself I prevail, I get through things, and I'm not as scared. I guess I'm a little more fearless after all this stuff I've been through, because I guess that's the point. You get stronger from your mistakes. Like you learn and you don't repeat the mistakes. But yeah, like I definitely do see and feel the growth. I do feel like this house, even though I lived in it for a year and it sometimes feels like a mistake, I do not regret it because I would be such a different person if I didn't move here. I know I keep saying I feel like I became an adult. Newsflash, Nikki, you've been an adult. But I feel like my growth, like mentally, was stunted from being a YouTuber. I had a lot of enablers in my life. I had a lot of people taking care of this and that for me. And I feel like moving in this house, I actually wanted to take on adult responsibilities and actually wanted to understand things and actually wanted to be involved and take control of my own life. And if I didn't move in this house, I would just be letting other people control my life like they used to. And having that awareness has helped me make decisions a lot more clearly. It was so hard making decisions when I had literally other people managing my money, other people I was tied to financially, like exes and your twin, and it was messy. But we're good. And this house, although it was an expensive lesson, I feel like I'm exactly who I'm supposed to be and I'm where I'm supposed to be. Update. So I actually really separated everything, but people came to pick up some of my donations, a lot of my furniture. Let's see how cleared out this basement is looking. Wow.
Okay, this used to be literally so busy. Even over here, we're airing it out. Not too bad at all.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now.
Guys, I found my vision board from 2023. I didn't make a vision board this year because I wanted to just take action because I know what I want to do. But in 2023, I made this vision board and like just none of it happened because I stayed in the house. But that's why we're leaving the house. I'm gonna try to do this year. There's a green ranch with the working out. I'm already doing the working out stuff. Oh my gosh, so cute. Career, we definitely gotta do more music. And then on the back, all 333, you can begin again over and over. There is no limit on how many times you are allowed to start over. There are no restrictions on how many chapters you are allowed to start writing. You can begin again over and over, so take all the pressure off yourself. I almost think I knew. I did know as soon as I moved in this house, I was gonna have to like move out of it, but I really did want to stick it out so I didn't have any regrets. So I don't regret anything, but wow. Keep a healthy distance from people who leave you feeling question mark, question mark, question mark. I've already done that. It's been 2 weeks into the new year, and like, I'm not gonna give too much tea in this video, but they're out. People that make me feel like that are not coming with me. This was such a good vision board. I'm totally keeping this. And this year my 2023 vision board is gonna come to life. This is now my 2024 vision board. All right, guys, this is all the donate section.
All the blue stickies mean donate. And then over here is what I'm keeping, these little boxes. And a lot of this is to be sold back here where all the green stickies are.
Hey guys, so today we have to clean the kitchen and actually start bringing stuff to my parents' house. I actually feel like I'm a little low energy today. I feel like there's just like a lot of, I'm gonna be super real, I feel like there's just like a lot of emotions hitting me at once. I totally am ready to get rid of this house in the best way possible. I loved it, I designed it, I'm proud of it, but I think I am getting rid of my home and I'm about to enter a new chapter of my life and I don't know what that looks like, and I feel like it's kind of messing with me a little bit because I love certainty. This girl loves certainty and right now there is none. But that's also so exciting, but also just who I am to my core. Like the fact that my home is no longer my home is kind of fucking with me a little bit. I've been talking to some friends who are also moving too and they're going through the same thing, and
We're going through the kitchen today.
the basement's looking so much better. Let me show you guys the progress we've made.
Everything that was for donation last night has been picked up and gone. They still have to take these in another trip. This is everything I'm taking to my parents' basement to store. And I still have to go through this pile and choose what I'm doing with this little pile. But look how much better this is looking. And this is everything we're selling. So it's looking so much better.
I just think now like reality's kind of setting in. We're about to go through a change and yet another one. I feel like there's been a lot of changes going on in my life. If this is what it takes to find my forever, let's keep going.
So this is everything taken out of the cabinets. So guys, I used to be obsessed with these cups for my iced coffees, but I feel like I'm onward and upward away from the mason jars because I got turned on to these wiggly cups and all of them are actually in the dishwasher right now. But I feel like I'm really liking this. So I feel bad getting rid of these though because I've been using these for years. Do I do it?
Get rid of them.
We're really practicing detachment. Like, why am I attached to cups? Like, I have issues.
I'm wrapping my clothing around the cups to make sure they don't shatter. If I'm gonna be honest, I think the thing I'm gonna miss the most is the blue kitchen. I designed it, I picked the blue cabinets, the island was huge, I could cook anything in here. This sink is so deep, the gold hardware, like, I love this kitchen. But my buyer loves this kitchen and I'm really excited that they get to enjoy this. The buyer that's moving into my house actually has lived in cities before, so they understood the concept I was going with the design of the house. I had a lot of kinds of people tour this. I had families, but I have one person moving in here who has lived in Manhattan and has traveled to LA a lot, and they really liked the LA vibe in here. So I do feel like I made someone's dream home that's perfect for their lifestyle, and that does feel good. Getting rid of all this except the colorful straws. I didn't get to show you guys, but I really upped my iced coffee game during Christmas. I got these cute straws, the wiggly cups. We're gonna get rid of these. We don't drink anymore. The Stanley cup really came and took over all my cups because I don't use any others since I got my one and only. What's up here? Who put stuff up here? It was definitely not me.
Okay guys, so we actually emptied the junk drawer and this is all I'm keeping from it. Just, you know, some lighters to light candles, some flashlights, some money I found, inhalers, extension cords, batteries, measuring tape, all the essentials. I'm going through the spices I'm keeping and tossing. A lot I don't use. This is so far the only ones that I use.
3 days.
Guys, look at what Brooke's leaving for me and Jules to use until we leave.
That's what you get.
That's it.
Wash it after you use it.
We're gonna fight over silverware.